game. Dlala ama-game 40. Asilayikheni phela ngibona ukuthi khona abantu abaphila sakalana. Iya. How? Sky level. How's yourself? How are you? How? Imali kamngani imali iqale kuwa ngisho na uyazi. Accept. Revenge? Ngiqeda ukuyivula le way engakusabi ngakhona Pamela ne. Ngiqeda ukuyivula ngiya accept. The way ngakusabi asi. Yeah.
Okay.
Akusi excuse. Come this.
Guys. Uthi 6 babi. Angibazi ukuthi bakuphi. But siyatap. Aish. Okay. It's fine.
Come this.
It's fine.
Hey.
Siyatap manje. Asi.
Ngicabanga ngithumele imali. Refill thumela imali, thumela ama gift la.
Siyatap guys. Okay. It's ×2 now. Whatever you send ×2.
Sharp Grootman. Dala ngikubona Grootman. Yabona wena Grootman wena.
Guys, sisenge fire la. If siyadliwa la, hayi seyiphelile isidima. Never phela.
I-revenge. Wahluleka manje. Andiswa, thank you.
Thank you, Bunny Brown.
Andiswa.
Okay.
Usangishayile ne. Cela ungwinise la. Kwenziwani kanti la?
Thank you, Taha. Thank you. Okay, guys, makuphela ×2 ngingasaseli ngitsepe nje kuphela. Tsepani. Thank you.
Oh, nizene strategy. Nizene strategy. Thank you, Andiswa and Grootman for the garden. Yeah. Ngadliwa Andiswa ukhona ne.
Guys,
nami ngisazoza.
if singadliwa. If singadliwa, angazi. Ngiyayeka.
Uzosiphindiselela. Cabanga. Mara serious mele uprove point manje ungishaya.
Thank you, Jerry. Just tap guys, tapani ngathi impilo iyaphela.
Mara Andiswa ngadliwa ukhona lana.
Njojo.
Ma-Andi.
Guys, tap. Oh, gift the target, guys. 2 people, 2 roses from 2 different people.
We are school man.
Bunny.
Thank you, Andiswa. Another one. Another rose.
Different
rose.
person. Guys, different person.
Another one.
Here we go. Nobody Bunny Browns.
Roses are red.
Oh, ish.
Boy. Ubani loyo?
Oh.
So.
Thank you, Queenie Love. Okay.
×2 guys.
×2 now.
Ukusondela kancane.
Whatever you have, guys, it's gonna double. If you have 1 rose chum. Mawungiphe 1 cause ngiphe ngiphe 2. Yabo?
Khanya. Ngathi ukhanya. Ngeke ngihle wena. Mina ngithi ngeke ngihle wena. Thank you Donza. Ngihla ngifuni.
×2.
Thank you Donza ngerose. ×2 guys. Whatever uyifakayo.
Thank you Bunny. Thank you. Uskorara yana. ×2 guys. ×2. Seyaphela guys. Thank you
guys for the garden.
Guys, kungafika isniper sinzima la ngizofinda. Okay.
Hey. Yeah.
Sathepa ngithi lapho siyathepa sithepile.
Nizene strategy.
Sifuna ukuwina la.
Sina guys siyanta kuphela.
Guys siyathepa. Kasase bekumele kuthole noma streak.
Yeah, nami angisho ngithanda kanjalo. Ngiyabona ithi 0. Angikho happy.
1 minute nini. Sisanda.
1 minute nini ne?
Kunika kungenzeka la. And ngizofeinta.
Hawu, guys sibangaka. Ufuna ukungisho ukuthi akakho ufuna ukungibona ngiwina. Sibangaka lana. Siyante.
Help.
Siyante.
Okay guys.
Yebo. emazazeni.
Tap.
First gear.
Ngathi uyaphuza something.
Athi jeb, ngathi vase. Athi jeb.
Sayibuza nathi lo iphuzayo. Siyawina la.
Mina ngiphuza amanzi la noshukela.
Yes, ta.
Andisa, thank you.
Zongihlanyisa. Eshinwele zande.
Tap guys. Yawuzwe nje.
Mara, yeo ta ungangithusi.
Sibangaka akekho ofuna ukuthi nje sisakaze uPamela nje athula umsindo. Ahambe nezero yakhe. Sikhonkhare. Victory is ours.
Tap tono. Yo. Uthi nina lapho nifuna ungibona ngiluza.
Yes. Yes.
How? Ningabi njalo guys.
Indeed. Absolutely. It's the goal. Kahle.
Guys. Last is almost as a win. We need to win. Walk of shame. Guys, we have a glove. If you tap the glove and you give me, it's gonna times 5, guys. Thank you. Anything, guys. Glove. Whoa. Oh, tap. Oh my goodness.
1. Aspindi.
Wow. Thank you, ta.
Thank you, Siante. Yo.
Oh.
Hey, sayiphelile image kanti niphokozelani. Lungile, thank you. Andiswa.
Thank you so much, Tom. My MVP. Bunny Browns. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Nathi. Thank you, Skorara. Ngiyanibona nonke, guys.
Ngibonga iRosa. Mara bese ngishayile.
Ngiyanthanda nonke. Buka, siyarematcha manje.
Hawu Nkosi yami. Ningishana sidliwe.
Come on, guys. Come on. Thank you so much.
Mina.
I love you.
Ngiclown manje.
This is your chance to recharge anything. We need to win. Sidliwa kanjani? Aneke. Siyarematcha.
Amagama akhe ngiwasebenzisa la. You need to win. Wise words from uPamela.
Okay.
Ayingeke manje guys asikhuphuleni amasokisi mawungakhuphuki wabambe wabamba khuphuki
awubheki nasesayidini yathepha nje because if angathathi 1 year kuzoba ngathi siyenzanga next la wonke lama gift lawa azoba in vain.
Kumele sizacrack
guys nathepha nina mara
sifithizeni guys
times 3
guys ngiyonicelani times 3 asisebenziseni manje bazoyisebenzisa bona asenzeni kanjalo. Victory is ours.
Angeke ta, angeke. I never.
Conquering.
Thank you. Guys, anything. Times 3, guys. Times 3 nyanjela. Iyaphela. Thank you, Mazwide. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Iyaphela.
Siyantenge clockis. Thank you.
Thank you, ta. Thank you so much.
Uta.
Okay. Hey, ta.
Ita.
Okay. Let's tap in.
It's how this mean, young.
Tap.
Hey, bayisebenzisile le times 3 bayisebenzisa kahle.
Okay. Siya ku bonus mission. Konje ku bonus mission yindana.
Hayi the thinker isn't a mess. Guys, ashama jeb.
Okay.
Asivesi la. Ama jeb. Why?
Ne.
Hayi mbo.
Okay, we need wait.
Enibanele.
Nyanibona guys, we need 2 different gifts.
Abantu abayi2 ama rose ayi2. I would appreciate ama rose ayi2 from different people. Just 2 roses. Roses are red.
Rose A1.
Roses are red.
This is ophela. We need this guys ngiyantshela. If
roses are red. Yise sidinga kakhulu lento niyabona ukuthi kuyalila. Guys, roses are red.
Ama rose ayi2. 2. Okay, hey.
Miss J, thank you. Omunye.
Okay, say 2. Guys, nina ngazi ninjani lapho. But Tepan.
Share.
I understand me. Thank you, Entle. Thank you so much. I see you. Hey. Sahamba sipesile salutap. Guys, if ungangena ungajoin live, uphume nje kanjalo umphukele. Hayi cha. Uthunyelwe hle.
bazi wozombona loser. Ngathi bayatshela ukuthi wozombona loser guys. Asenze into right.
Mara singawini. Noma ngabe yena unabantu abaningi.
Mathabela.
Thank you, Libwani. Oh, thank you so much. It's your first gift. Thank you. Shout out to Libwani.
Guys, yazi masingaka phela sibaningi sinkinga. Masingaka singayenza into, singathatha ama country. Masingaka ngayenza event ningaka kuphela. Senze enye event emnandi kabi.
Sabelo Skhosana, thank you so much.
Guys, ngizomhlinzela inkomo ngoJanuary. Ngizomisa inkomo.
Unamanga neke guys ngihlinzela.
Abanye bathatha inyawo, abanye ngiyantshela guys. Abanye bahamba ngendlebe.
Baba ngabe baningi kangakanani.
Ngeke nidle ikhabishi.
Aneke Stuzi. Aneke. Guys, Tshepani nina bawone gift eyi-1 faka igift yakho. Hayi Shandu. Shandu ungabusabingelela, salufake kusa gift nyana.
Guys.
Excuse me. Lo muntu la ngakhetha
803 likes.
Guys, yambona lo muntu unabantu abayi 100,000 thina sibancane. And masiya empini akudingi ukuthi sibe baningi. Sidinga nje ikhali.
Sharp crowd man.
Sidinga nje ikhali. Siyababonisa ukuthi
guys asinabo abantu abaphethe ama rifle basnipe.
Okusalayo.
Una ki rifle.
Guys bazosnipe.
Rifle guys. Kwenzakaleni lapha?
Tshepani ngabe nisabheka
Namthombela.
Thank you Libwana, I see you.
Namthombeni. Thank you.
Ha wena unabuma Mthombela.
Hayi no Namthombeni.
This one MVP yakho.
Yo guys.
Yo.
Ama rifle kra.
Guys, aneva siliwe la. Sadliwa la angazi. Ngithengela imovites nonke nodlimovites ngoDecember.
Ngempama not ama rifle. Yo. Tshepani
nje. Ngicofe ncofile.
Guys, candy phone like accept ngamanye amandla.
Thank you so much. Kodwa asikajabule.
Eish. Yeah, ne. Awubheke bangibhokoza. I'm tired.
Thank you.
And I'm tired. Dalo ivulile live nepha man. Uzivoca.
Ngasekujayekeza kaleni. Ngithe, okay, bengingaplelanga next yabo. And then manje ngabheka la ku coast, ngakubona. Ngasho ukuthi nangu ngishilo. Ngathi
ngizobona best of 3. Asi best of 3 ngizoze ngikubone kusasa.
Funda ngishaya ama-streak wami.
Ngeke ngokushaya. Manje angeke ngokushaya. Angazi kwenzakalani.
Seke sobona i-MVP yakhe strong lapho kuma comment.
Nix.
Shay.
Nix lutho. Thank you Siyante Grootman, Sishi.
Thank you so much.
And Catboy, ama MVP abathephile siyabonga. Mara masidlala futhi nigande le phone ningaka-crack ungayeki. Mele izicrack.
Makoy.
Conquering is ours.
Ungabusacabanga. Dimakazo nawe ungabusacabanga. Usengicabangile nathi sesicabangile manje. Kuthi la
ngibuya kuPamela una 60 something viewers. Unganyathi ngake ngashawa umuntu ona 2 viewers. Ngina 300 wangishaya kabuhlungu ngenye indlela nje.
Guys, mara ish. Yo. Ngiyahesitate la.
Viewers don't matter, it's the people. You understand?
Yes. Guys. Ne. Siyangena la singena ngerisk. Ukudliwa kwethu la, hayi ukuthi sidliwe.
Dlala kokugcina manje.
Yo, mara ma-streak wami.
Sicela siboleke la. Yabona sesine purpose. Sifuna la ma-streak. Sesine purpose manje. Sekhona into esidlalelayo. Sifuna la ma-streak.
Ungabusahamba, salutap. Yo. Ngiyasaba. Guys, nina niyafuna vele.
Ungasabi.
Match. If ungangishaya la.
Come this.
Best of 3. It's fine. Okay, guys. Fine. Guys. Siyempini la sifcimezile, please. Sicimezile manje. Tshepani.
Hayi kona ukuthepha guys. Hayi ukuthepha ni. Andlale kuthepheni.
Tshepani guys. No,
yabona makuthepha hayi.
Tap guys. Tap.
But guys, I'm a rifle.
Okay, times 2.
Times
Anything you have, it's gonna double. Anything you have, it's gonna double.
Kono
Fine.
8. Thank you, no more there.
Thank you, Bali. Thank you so much.
Time
Anything you
time
have.
2.
Thank you, Ngonyama.
Oh,
Ngonyama.
donut.
Guys, Tepan. Oh, Ngonyama.
Nalini?
Tepan.
Guys,
Times 2.
Guys, nginenzeni mara
Nyabong. Guys,
Uzwe
it can't be Ta and Ngonyama. Thank you, Libuani. Thank you.
Oh, nangitha. Hey, Tha usesekhona.
Okay, guys, sese move ne. Tap. Sese move manje. Bashanga ma tap strong. Chaza ukuthi nina nthappy. Tap guys.
Asakazeni man, guys.
Guys,
igame yokugcina bhekanda ama streak siyafuna. Kings nge-clock kids.
Viewers don't
Kings,
matter. It means
nge-clock kids.
sinama viewers mancane so bathi thina.
Danko Kings.
Sizowina guys.
Clock kids lapho.
Sizowina guys.
Awubuya ithi fuck nge-roses are
Guys,
red.
come on. Tap. Oh. Tap. Okay, what's gonna happen now? Kuzoba ne-time. What? Give the target. Ne? Uzosenda. Yes, 2 roses. 2 different.
Abantu abayi-2 ama-rose ayi-2 guys. Roses are red. Abantu abayi-2.
Rose 1. Thank you, Tom. Oh, thank you, Tom.
Roses are red.
Okay, we need 1 rose.
Danko target.
Thank you, Libu.
Thank you, Nomonde and Matle.
Okay, guys. For now, wait.
Time
Let's
2.
wait for the
Ngicela njengoba
times 2.
siyiwinile.
Don't gift.
Yeah,
Okay,
time 2.
Now you can gift.
Asisebenziseni.
Now you can gift it a times 2 now. Thank you,
Asisebenziseni.
Andy, for following me.
Silwele.
Guys,
Le times 2.
I never
Thank you,
sleep.
Nomonde.
Thank you, Ngonyama. Thank you, Ngonyama.
Marusesela akahluphi. TK Danko.
Ngonyama. Okay.
Thank you, Nomonde.
We're still at times 2, guys. Anybody, anything that you have, a rose, you have a finger heart, you have a lion. If a lion,
Young lion. A young ho.
Thank you,
Nomonde.
Libuani. I see you. Thank
Time
you
2.
so much.
Asisebenziseni guys.
Ngonyama.
Sisupush.
Times 2, guys, 90 seconds. Whatever you have to. A rose A1. Ongiphe 1. Ngiyazi ukuthi ungiphe Z2. Yebo. Come on, Cho.
Asenzeni. Sishi.
Guys.
See you, man.
Anesiluzela mina ngiyamtshela. Times 2, guys. 1 rose. Thank you, Ta. Thank you. Okay.
Thank you, Nomonde.
Asithepeni. It's 2 minutes kakhulu, guys.
Yo. Mara ngiyochubeka kanjani ngiyohlala amanye amamesh ngishawa uPamela. Nizoqhutha self-esteem yami.
Sho ukuthi mina uthi Pamela kanjani? Ngoba mina nginama viewers ay-67. Wena unama viewers ayingakaki. uPamela kanjani?
Abanye they are here to watch me suffer. It's fine.
Guys, don't watch me suffer. Ningayenzi njalo. Cha.
Marula iduze guys man.
Awuphelele
Young man ulayiduze young 700 what nje. Siyambamba lo muntu. Shi, ama rifle guys. Ngisantshela ngama rifle.
Lesa ku TikTok. Masingashaya iskuti igcwala amanzi la simvale. Angazi nokuthi malini. Okay.
Kona le bathini? Iswan yazi iswan.
Thank you, Stash. Yini ke guys, if ngingasend iglove.
Awuyazi iswan.
And
the young galaxy.
If ngingasend iglove, yazi kuzoyenzakalani? Yini glove vele? Yes, if ngingasend iglove, it's going to be times 5. Irose yakhe is times 5. So for any glove. Ish. Guys, mara bangishaya ngine pushback ngizombasha mos mina. Ngingabi njalo. Ngiyambona yena ufresh.
Asiphem le uyenzile kanti.
Pam njengegama lami i-pushback uyayibona. I-pushback ya 2010.
Yasazi isichitha amanzi?
Yes.
Hayi besidume kakhulu isichitha amanzi.
Mina ngibheki ya 2010 khona manje. Guys, siyathepha. Thank you Banene. Thank you so much.
Rifle guys. Angazi nokuthi ushaye yini.
Guys, hayi.
Pushback iphakama.
Also send yay, ngithi mina ngibhekile lapho. Yay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Wa. Hayi. Abakuphela ezingahlangani mara abantu bahlangana. Bam. bamba. Nize ne-strategy, eh? Nize ne-strategy.
Yabo, guys. Swinile. Noma singalala manje because bazoshala ama-streak wethu. Sisadlala namuntu. Sisadlala namuntu sesiphelele.
Nomonde and TK, Grootman Sishi, and wonke umuntu othephile. I would like to appreciate.
Yabonga, Tando, Gwanyam. Yabonga, guys. Thank you for tipping up. Hey, man, thank you for tipping. When, Camus. We came here for revenge.
Ne?
We got
Aye. Yeah. We won in spirit. In spirit. Swinile ngaphakathi.
Thola udlala nabantu ufuna ukubukela ukuthi uyoshaya bani.
Hayi. Uzobona. Yazi uvele phela ngithanda ukusukela abantu mina. Ngithanda ukufika ngithatha ama-streak. Good night Nomonde. Ngithanda ukuthatha ama-streak. Yabona mangihlangana nawo unala ama-streak lawo.
Uyangibulala.
Hawu ngijabula kakhulu. Ngike ngihlangane nawo isathi 0 bengingana passion. Bengikho passionate. Ngizokuthola.
Nawe ngizokuthola noma-streak i6. Futhi 6. I3.
Hey ngike ngapha nawo i6 ebawathatha kabuhlungu kanjani?
Mina bengibukela i-live match yakamduva and there's other people and wow. Fana ma-strategy a-serious ngithi la ane ngiqale ngithi ngiyangena nongena. But
Yeah, vele. Cause lapha hayi. No. Abantu bami laba bangabukela bangibukeli laba ngicrashwa lapha. Lapha gift A1 khub. Gift A1 khub. Seyiphelile indaba yakho.
Le gift le bengicala nokuyibona le echwela abantu badansa. Like it's like
Ngiyayazi.
wow.
Enchanted, thank you.
Thank you guys.
Sophia kodwa. Sibalande masicela.
Ngiyangidecline. Now if we invite hayi namhlanje ngeke namhlanje ngiphola.
No. Namhla yolala.
Angilali but angeke ngishaye wena ubuye futhi wena sethatha ama-streak kwabo 3 angeke.
Ngizokubamba kusasa. Kusasa sengine reason yokuthi ngibe live. Ngifuna phansi phezulu kwaqina. Udine ngane wabo. I'm furious. Singiyobona abanye ukuthi bangiphetheleni.
Bye.
Sharp. Enchanted. Ask us next time. Ngizogift. Hayi. Thank you Enchanted. Ayiki next time saqhubeka. Sifuna abanye. Yo. Saqhubeka sifuna abanye. Ayiki next time sifuna manje. At least sihambe namama. Streak nyana. Khona ama A2 awuthi sibona. Ama A2. Sabona. Uthi siphatheleni. Thatha ama streak. Wabo. Yo. No, deep breath guys. Thank you Enchanted. Deep breath. Seshayo kakhulu. Deep breath. Asiphefumuleni hayi deep breath. Deep breath siceda ukushaya ngeke. Sithi breathe in, breathe out. Si digest lento eceda ukwenzeka. Athi si digest. Ndoda iyeke ukwenza izi video zakhe intombi yami ifuna wena ngoku. Hayi ngangifuni. Naledi, thank you. Hawu Nkosi yami khane bafika abantu abathanda ugift abangafuni ukusibona safarisha. Mpho thank you. Yazi ucabangeni phi? Hey. You just got whooped. Ngine 40 rand ngicela uyichange ibe imillion. Hey, if bengikwazi ukuchange 40 rand ibe imillion kube ngihleli la. Kube ngishintshana nama 40 rand. Yo. Kungona abagiftayo. Kungona abagiftayo. Sesiphumile ema machine. C2 accepts. Oh, Gumede. Naledi, thank you. Gumzini. Gumede. Now Zeli, revenge.
We revenge bits. Like I got like 4 people.
Oh, hey mara kuyapushwa lapha. Labantu abayi4.
Imaki. Let me get someone and I'm sharing live it.
Ne? Nama I'm doing this. No way.
She's offline. Imaki.
Oh, nestrike si1. Sasifuna. Sicela lesa streak guys. Sihle man. Lesa si1 sikumele kamnandi. Manje ngoba singizokwenza njani mina?
Who am I gonna get?
Sesihlangene. Hayi upressa mina. Ngoba uyani upressa mina lapho wenza into eziright khona lapha into ezokugift khona into eziright lapha baba. Zokugift ezilapha phansi. When uya choose ukuthi uyifuna kanjani. Ukhetha yiphi ofuna ukungipha yona. Ukuthi sikonquer la. Akumethe samshaya. Kumeda samsakaza. Kumede samsakaza. Ukumede samsakaza. Kumede siceda ngayo. Yeah.
Oh no, guys, I swear. Even angenanga la no we cooked. Even angenanga we cooked.
Asimphekeni ngalendlela. Guys, 1 rose.
Thank you, Oradile. Thank you, Latsi.
1 rose.
Thank you to everyone.
From anyone. Roses are red. 1 rose. Roses are red. Thank you, Naledi and Zanele. Yeah. Times 3. Yeah! Times 3. Nah, times 3, guys. I see 70 saying. Thank you, Naledi and Zanele. Hi, Nunuzan.
Thank you, Aaron.
Thank you, Naledi and Zanele. Yeah, times 3, guys. I see 70 saying. Akahlale icing.
Aaron, please.
Makazini.
Please.
Thank you, Zanele.
Please.
Akahlale makazini. Akahlale makazini ngeke.
Let's just hope so. Richard.
Thank you. No, yabona bafuna ukurecharge. Thank you Naledi. Namthombeni.
Just send them all, bro. Just let them 1, 2, 3, 4 up until they become 15. Let me get someone.
Thank you Namthombeni. Sifuna lesa streak. Umthetho wethu.
Come on, so bro.
Yiwen. Wenza njani? Awusesela iduza akahluphi. Akahluphi. Hey.
Bonisa ngijabule ngakenzi lutho because I knew, bro. Yeah, as long as domjitela, I swear, you're not gonna win.
Zanele enaledi. Thank you Zanele ngecap lela lifakile. I'm not.
Thank you Tumagute. I go thank you Aaron. Let me get Tumagute Shang. I need that glove, bro. I need that glove.
Yabona uthini izinto. Guys, amaglove nathi siyawadinga amaglove. Yambona uyasondela. Yatotoba. Ingathi sekafikile.
Guys, ukhona glove. Anyone who has a glove? Aaron, do you have a glove, bro? Aaron, do you have a glove? I think you do.
Thank you Zanele. Guys, ama rifle. So wadinga ama rifle la. So wadinga ama
rifle. Anyone who has a glove, guys.
Guys, mina shiselo kujulu kwempumulo.
No. For the fact that I'm beating you and nabantu aba-9, it's quite sad, bro.
It's quite sad.
Yeah.
Niyazwa uthi thina si sad. Usho thina uthi thina siyadabukisa.
How many people do you have?
Bebaningi man. Bebaningi. Thank you Luvuyo Mzanele. Aye, don't worry. Thank you Naledi. Do not worry at all. Linda, thank you Mzanele.
Thank you so much.
Thank you Naledi.
Guys, please double check the screen, guys. Please double check the screen.
Carrots. Yes, you get the assignment, guys. As execute. Somkhama lo muntu. Ngimfakelele nalento yabona. Yashaya. Sashaya. Nako, awuzwe.
Thank you, Aaron.
Guys, asiyeni. Sebafaka thina emakhazini. Yo. Awukhaleli isiphinde. Awukhaleli
it.
isiphinde. Asinisabi phela awukhaleli isiphinde. Awukhaleli isiphinde asinisabi phela.
Okay, asamba.
Uyasebenza loyo. Hey,
thank you so much, Aaron, my brother. Thank you so much to everyone. Thank you, guys. Please double tap the screen. I'm trying to get Abadu. You
Luvuyo, thank you. Ama MVP wami bewasinda kuloku. Ngiyabonga. Abewasinda kuloku besifikile. Besifikile bona le baloku bathi cha. Abozanele baloku abolinda. Time 2 guys asisebenziseni asimsakaze.
Yo flip. Thank you so much, Aaron. Thank you so much, Aaron, my brother. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Naledi. Times 2. Thank you, Ngetonyat.
Let's just
guys. Ngavumi. Mbongi Rosa and Luvuyo. Thank you. Luvuyo.
Thank you so much, Aaron. Yes, again. Yabo waphethe please don't chikyang uzongibulala ngesiphambo mfethu
Luvuyo
lapho ngithakeke
Luvuyo thank you why ngathi ujabula kakhulu guys nambona ujabula kakhulu injabulo yakhe
listen bro listen yo
yeah
damn wahamba usinda hayi khuleka don't worry
yeah Luvuyo hayi yazini sindile asimboniseni ke
usindile boy. That's what thing usindile.
Yeah.
Just like that 220.
And this thank you and Luvuyo.
Yo.
Fakele Google. Uyabona ukuthi ngiyi-Google straight. Yeah, guys asiricheni le gift target. Thank you Luvuyo. And this thank you le gift target. Sekayirichile le gift target. Yena. Luvuyo ufake
cash. Thank you so much siya ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Niyayibona? Gift target before kuphela lesikhathi guys. Luvuyo uyayilanda.
Baba,
cela nincedise Luvuyo.
Ngasibambezeli.
Yeah.
Bambezeli speed.
Uyayilanda.
Ekamoso. Ubambezeli speed baba sifuna ukusebenza thina. Abantu bakhe ababroke basibambezela ngala.
Uzwa wena. Woza, seyizohlangana guys yo. Ezosenza lo muntu lona makazothi enkosi yami. Jaso couldn't reach target. Luvuyo, I saw you. Thank you, Andy. Nawe. How Luvuyo? I get.
Guys, please use the speed. Guys, please use the speed.
Thank
you so much, Aaron. Thank you so much, Aaron. Thank you so much.
Sese la ituza kahluphi.
Yeah! You out! You fucking out! You're out!
Thank you, Paris.
Oh, damn!
Guys, ulayithuze lo muntu, ulayithuze kakhulu.
Hey, Wemba! Thank you so much, Sia. You.
Wait. Hey!
Ngakutshela sizokubamba. Hey, ngakutshela umuntu wafika.
Namhlanje nivelile ngama revenge. Nophamela ufuka la.
Ubani?
Uphamela njengoba nginishana i2 last. Ngayisuka la uqeda ukungithi phapha ngendumnyama. La uyavela. Akade ngisikwa se.
Wena ufika thatha istick Samsung 8. Ngikubuka. Akubuka.
Hayi ngiyabuka manje. Ubhekile.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone. Sia, Aaron, Dimedia, Mr. Zondo, Nolutsando, Ayanda, Search, Koratile, Swazi.
Lord Mbey. Thank you, Mama Rose.
Oh, ngakutshela. How siyashisela?
Hayi angishisela. Angishisela. Chophekile nethi ngichophekile.
Thank you so much. Ngamthola umuntu ongaba. Yo wena uphapha kangaka. Wafika wathi ngiyamuzwa. Ngihlalele kunishaya madoda. Wasesinenebula ngempela. Wathi kwaphuma. Wasisiphinde athi ayiseke right. Mbothi kanti baba abantu
bangizokubamba bengajimanga namhlanje.
Ona leti bakhathele ambiswa nzima bakhathele oPerisa bakhathele banamali. Angifuna
Sure.
azoba strong boy. Let's
Hayi angishisela nethi ngixophekile yayibona. Hey.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Aaron, my brother, thank you so much, man.
Hey, ngiyabonga guys.
Mission contributors.
Winile in spirit.
Media.
Swinile ngokomoya.
Boy, I already think won like two games now. I think you're good. So right is back, man. Yeah.
Asengirayini sokubamba kodwa. Yabona kumele sikubamba.
Akulungile. Anytime ungibize, sure.
Uzongibona kusasa.
I guess. Sasa okay, hey, no.
Hey, guys, namhlanje ngathi siyisinkwa sabantu. Engathi bahamba la abantu namhlanje bazidlulela nje kamnandi nje siyabayekela bazidlulela. Siyiphasishi, siyi shortcuts namhlanje. Shortcuts nje, free streaks. Umuntu makafuna ama streak nyana nje wamahala uza la. Hathi ngibuyisele lento. Hathi ngibuyisele. Sifila kanjani vele? Khavani. Hathi ngibuyisele. Hayi ngeke. Okay, sithola abanye hayi ngeke. Sure, ayiyangeke ngidlale naye ingeke yo. Sure. Love your videos. Thank you. We are nothing but bread. Sisinkwa. Not sengemihla ngemihla kodwa. Sisinkwa namhlanje. Sisinkwa namhlanje. Sisinkwa esibrown. Sisinkwa esibrown sure. Okay, sisibone lo. Lasti ngangadlala.
Who's this?
This accepts.
Okay, I accept. Are you saying?
Hello.
No, they are trying to talk to us. Let's listen.
Are they?
Hey, Pap! Papito!
Papito!
Yeah, Papito!
Hello, my friend.
Hey, friend. Where you from? Papito!
I'm from Poland.
What's the AP? Thank you.
Awina, Dr. Simon! Dr. Simon!
Guys, you need to follow Kamoso, right? He's one of the kindest people,
Thank you for
sweetest
follow.
people that
you
I've
very
went
much.
live with him once before. You need to follow him.
Follow me.
Thank you, Master AP.
Kurwa, ale tam na jedynce. Aż wstyd, papito, my tacy sławni, a tu kurwa nic.
Algorithm.
So I remember seeing them in another match, by the way, right? They were in a match with Petra and someone else, but they didn't know that Petra and this other guy, like they normally go into matches and they argue.
They have smoke.
Yes, I know they snipe.
Oh, they snipe. Well, I'm not scared. I have Dr. Simone.
Guys, he's putting a lot of faith in all 19 of you sitting here. Meanwhile, he has like 300 people.
2 roses from 2 different people. These people here like to see me suffer. Yeah. Yo, target couldn't reach.
She's saying something about... But yeah, no, guys, this is gonna definitely be my last match, and then I need to go to bed.
Thank you. Mthandazo Enhlelizwe.
No shame, man.
Clock it Ray. We are winning this match. This match is ours.
We say that now, and then they snipe.
They won't. They won't. Now we will also snipe. Ah, DJ's fee. So clock is lapo Ray.
You see what happens.
No widziałem porobione, wiesz.
But I always see them go live together, like doing matches with other people.
You also should do that.
Why
I trust
not?
you. You are strong. Last time, I lost.
No, we should. But sometimes I put on big scores. Sometimes I don't. It just depends. Sometimes we just feel like speaking.
You have me. I have smoke.
Ay. Wait, I want to see if they're going to snipe. But tell me, do you do like I've seen people do it. I don't normally do it. But like with people do like series.
Series. Watching series.
No man, like where people do like they decide they're gonna do a few matches together. I've never done it, and that's only because my attention span, if I'm not at work, like my attention span is like that. So yeah.
Yeah, we will do that together. We'll be a team.
Yes, we can. I don't think I will get bored with you on my side.
You won't. Never. How? See, we won our first match. Victory to us.
Nice.
Wonderful.
Was it a one and done match?
One. What's this booze about Papito?
I don't know what that means.
Papito. Was my they muted.
Yeah.
Koszulkę zdjął, to by mu tam kurwa z tej lance pociekło.
Okay, it seems like they want to do another one. We can do one more. Okay, we do one more.
Albo za darmo. On widzi potencjał. Ja mu to wpuszczam klatką.
Hey.
We still gonna be playing some liquor than they snipe us.
Ja widzę, że kurwa
You can, 90s Brad. Generally not the best with DMs, but just make sure
Ja
it's
teraz będę
not
kończył, bo jedę tą książkę
like
trochę
wanting a
przeczytać.
diagnosis. That's
Zrobię
the
ostatnią
only
bitewkę, rozłączę
thing.
się.
Because then it like
Pogadam tylko
that
z
steps
ludźmi
a bit
jeszcze
into
chwilę
dangerous
i
territory.
zabijam.
Chloe!
Papito khuluma kakhulu, Papito.
Hello, Chloe.
Yeah, guys, asibulaleni. Cabanga siyi-team lana. Ay.
Thank you, Master AP.
Yeah.
Chloe, I'm good. Chloe, I came on to give proof of life. That one's my favorite one, the bubble one. That's I came to give proof of life because I haven't been live in a while because my family friends were here from Cape Town. And one of them's coming back on Friday to help us move. Yeah. I wanted to go with a moving truck.
Sengicabangile ukulayini.
Yes, 90s Brad. So the thing with managing anxiety is that psychology is actually the cornerstone of it. It's really, really important.
2 roses, guys.
Psychology is
2 roses.
very, very important.
Roses are red.
Violets are blue.
Yeah, go.
Thank you, Master AP.
Yes, bonge.
Master AP, when did you go to level
Shall we go?
25? But yeah.
You are winning this match.
Oh, I do understand that. Yeah, like a week ago. Oh, that's beautiful,
Not
Master AP. No, Pat, I don't. Ek verstaan niks. I understand nothing.
I have tricked
They
in my
can
account.
be swearing at me and I won't know.
Mara spotless. Ngikunika kanjani i-account number yami maqeda uzonginika i-cash send. Ngikunika i-account number maqeda
Like
unginika
this,
i-cash send.
Brad, I
How?
think it's important to do it though. In
How?
all, like in my heart of hearts,
How?
I do support the idea of seeing a psychiatrist, especially if medication is involved. Your general doctor can manage like the in-betweens of it. No, man. Level 25 upwards is hard, not gonna lie.
I need papito. Angeke nimuve.
Yes, Master AP. It is
Mogłem
quite
kimś tutaj
difficult,
przejść
but
tą kamastycę, no dobra, nie?
Hello, Calvin.
Ale to
I
długo
am
to
currently like,
Akazwakala.
and the thing is, Master AP, like months or years ago, it was easier to level up on TikTok because coins were cheaper. Coins became highly inflated. So, like with me, that only started like TikTok really, like I only started gifting like this year, because I wasn't like really into, or like when. So, yeah. That's the only time I really
And the
started
spotless
gifting. It was really difficult to level up. Yeah.
Uzungayilethi spotless ngikuvulela icala.
Yeah. I'm moving to Cape Town, not out of Cape Town.
Kuvayayi.
Yes, Master AP. It's 12K points for 7 days.
Baba uPamela uyakufuna ngale. Uyangifuna futhi uPamela. Hayi uPamela ngishaye
I
kanje.
contemplated going
Ayisayombona uPamela
Enigma, but then I saw how many coins it was, and I thought it was a once of 12, which I was like,
Nine,
that's fine.
lapha ngiyifakile yazi
You need to literally like do it every 7 days, and I'm not willing to do that. And yeah, coins used to be cheaper. I'm like currently, I think like 50,000 coins away from level 27, and from there it's really hard.
Network yenzani? Nix bekungana network nix lapha bese ngibaleka nje. Sengiwinile kafana sesiwinile. Nkosi yami. Kumede. Akumede uyangifuna futhi.
Hayi bengizokucheck ukuthi sa right.
Angikrend. Sengine strict nyana.
Hayi ngeke ngischeck khuleka. Ngizokubiza mase ngene umuntu engimdingayo ukuthi angene bese ngiyakubiza. Okwamanje ngoba akekho yekela.
All right, uyangivuthela.
Hayi khuleka. Uma ngena nje errand la ngizovela ngithi ngikubize fast.
Nami ngizokubiza khona lo ngifuna ngene. Wangena nami ngizokuya. Angazi siyapi, siya. Hey, Hayi lo ngeke lona. Mara okay uthi sibone. Uthi sibone. Hayi lo ngeke lona. Hayi wenze kahle. Msaba vele mina. Angeke sodlala nabo sajadi. Angeke sodlala nabo sajadi. Yo umuntu oyi1 azoba nama views angaka ngesikhathi esi1. Kaze wenzani lapha kuwe? And ngithe mangibheka abantu la ngabona ukuthi hayi usurprise kulabantu engibabonayo la surprise angimsabi.
Okay, ngeke ongishaye because usiya ukhona la, ufikile usiya.
Usiya. Uyabona ne? Usiya, sengikutshele ngosiya. Usiya kule meshe engibuya kuyo ungishayisile. Usiya kanti wayangizonda kanje waya. Siya.
Ufikile, sekafikile.
Nama uthi ngisukuforward angeke. Awuthi aphikisana. Na abe nabantu azowaphikisa. Siya.
Siya kanti umenze nomunye umntwana manje
Yo,
sewuyashare.
I am Sia ne, I am Sia. Yo,
Uye.
Sia.
Sekacabangile uSiya ukuthi manje uzokushaya uzokuvurura.
Uye ungidlisile kule meshe engibuya kuyo ngidliswe uSiya. Sisuka sonke siloko sihamba noSiya. Uya ku uSiya. Makabona unje uSiya makabona umuntu wesifazane like akacabanga.
Can we get thank you so
2
much.
roses.
Siya. Guys, can someone please send a rose here? We need to activate.
2 roses, guys.
Umshaye lo. Ushakazulu fanele simshaye. Hayi guys,
Surprise
ibile
ngifuna
100.
surprise.
Hayibo. Bantu bamanyeke. Lady, how are you? Lady, please send a rose.
Guys, I'm a rose. Guys, roses are ready.
Hayibo. Yes, abantu bami, guys, now I'll block you all. You see now what you're doing. Thank you so much, Lady. Thank you.
Guys, Tina. Guys, why ninje man bona abantu besifazane kahle kahle. Nathanda ukushow off man bona abantu azi. Usiya ne?
Akususiya lo. Lady. Guys, times 3.
Siyabuya
Let's go.
phela mnganami. Uyazi ukuthi sisuka kude.
Nangu Siya.
Hawu siya kangiswisisi straight. Hawu siya ngizondo. Siya uthi ngikhumula umqhele.
Akhale bafana kulintutu yena.
Hayi ngiyayifaka. Yabona masocula kanjalo. Zizokhala ngiyabathemba labantu abala. Sine comeback enye enzima kabi. Yo.
Another one.
Usiya futhi.
Uye.
Siya bathi abantu into abazihlangana abantu bayahlangana.
Kanti yini? Oh, so wena uSiya ukushayile wavele wabaleka wazala. That's why avele athi.
Usiya yazi wenzeni. Khona imatch bengidlala before wena. Ungishayisile uSiya. Bekangale kule match engala lokangishayisa lapha agifta ngenye indlela eyisimangaliso.
I want to know ukuthi ubalekile or ubele wathi okay guys we are done wahamba kahle.
Ngibalekile lapha ya uSiya kahle kahle. Usiya ufuna kahle kahle. Namhlanje angazi ngimenzeni uSiya mara ngathi ngathola yena adlala imatch ngimbonisa uSiya. Shayena straight.
Let me teach you something. La kuma match awubaleki, ungabaleki. Fanele ubatshele ukuthi okay guys sengizwile I surrender ngiyahamba. Manje wena uyabaleka.
Hayi bengabaleki same time. Mangiceda imatch ukudlala. Umuntu uvela athi sekasharp ngokungishaya. Ngisho phela nginokubhukuza. Yabo nginokubhukuza sometimes. Mara namhlanje ngathi Sandisi nozwelo kakhulu.
Hayi manje uSiya uthi abantu bakhe bazokushaya strong ungalingi ukuthi ufuna ukushaya yena ke.
Ya ngizombamba uSiya ngisazomjimela uSiya ngiyamtshela mina. Yabona namhlanje ngiyakutshela Siya ne sazokujimela ngisazokubamba. Uyazi ngizwisa ubhlungu. Hayi ngizoshaya kangaka ngelangeli 1 ngenxa yakho. Hawu apho kuzwa kanje.
Ukamsophephisa.
I'm furious.
Don't be please. Phephisa.
Thank you Dr. Simone. Yo nkosiyami.
Abantu
Takwaza
bakho
ngokusniper.
ngithi abantu bakho abanayo igalaxy na. Yokusniper la.
Namhlanje ngathi abantu bamabekho. Khona abantu kodwa.
Awunabantu. Angisho wena ubashiyele uthe sengicabangile. Ngiyasiyahamba bese ngizobuya ngiyi1 ubashiye aphesheya. Abekho la.
Base Russia. Bantu bangibashiye Russia.
That's why ushaywa.
And uSiya nanga ufikile la yazi ufika athi kanje afaka umlilo. Ufika athi kanje afaka umlilo. Akakhulumi kakhulu. Awukhaleli isiphindi. Awukhaleli surprise isiphindi. Mhlambe ngakusurprise.
Buya. Hayi uyavutha.
Usiya naye manje uSiya kancane uphinda athi uSiya nje akafuni nix. Awuthi ngimfollow uSiya ngisazombonisa. Singimfollow. Ngadlala kanjani.
Lady, thank you so much.
Thank you, Lisa.
Thank you so
Time 2
much.
guys asisebenziseni because bazofaka ezinye izinto esingazi-understand la ma-gift abanawo angiwazi mina mahle ngathi ngawadonsa ngapha wabeki la Spuda, thank you guys ngama-rose awubheke angiyazi mina le gift le ngathi ngayibamba ngiyibeke la kimi
Uzolunga yesa. Phephisa mntaka mama.
eish angizophephisa
Ungamzonda.
besengifuwadile vele Noxy, thank you hey
So manje
besengifuwadile
uzopostela yonke i-TikTok. Everyone la ku-TikTok uzobashare.
besengifuwadile abayizwa indaba yami abayizwa nje inhlobo abezi iSunday bakhathele bebasonta man ayi bebasonta mhlonishwa le chief
Oh, thank you so much, my people. Thank you so much for tipping. Next time, mangisendele i-message, invite. Thola ukuthi ujimile yezwa.
yeah
Angisendele imatch ungenaso smoke. Angisendele imatch ungenaso smoke.
thank you mhlonishwa
Angidlali nengane.
yazi induku enginayo another rose guys thank you mhlonishwa Dr. Simone thank you let's win Dr. Simone we have a doctor in the building Noxy, thank you
Can we get a rose? Lapho this is
mhlonishwa le chief ngamgcina nemhlonishwa
ungamkhalisi yazi siyamara. Don't go hard on this boy, please. Uzokhala. Guys, can someone, another one more person. We need a rose now. Yamuzo usiya uthini? Uthi lapho yena like uku-gear 1 manje. Makathi gear 2. Makathi 3.
Noxy sasekugear 1 hayi sazohlangana intaba esingahlangani mara abantu hayi namhlanje Sunday sinozwelo kakhulu Dr. Simone thank you Dr. Simone yes we have a doctor in the house
Hayi, njani?
doctor in the building
Isilungu sona sibuyaphi? Isilungu.
we have a doctor manje sikhulume English ukuthi understand mhlonishwa thank you
Okay. Masirichi 500 uzothula manje ayisho mina I'll do the talking.
hayi naso richa manje
Okay.
bayiricha fast
Thula, hello. Awukhuluma isingisa wena.
Dr. Simone yo Tanaka Dube Dr. Simone ngithe sizokumangaza hey thank you Dr. Simone Tanaka hey Galax Galax thank you Dr. Simone and mhlonishwa yo Tanaka Dube
Need to activate the speed because that galaxy it was only on the speed. Aibo.
Yana yo yazini sizokusurprise yo we hayi hayi sekukhuluma thina manje sekukhuluma thina yabona surprise induku enginayo ne sinenduku yo yazi ngiyashiselwa awushiselwa wena Tanaka Dube hey what the Galax kwathula bangasinaphi simenyiwe simenye sibaningi sibe yo nabo bathola iGalaxy hayi no usiya ne
Yeah, uye.
uyakopa siya yona siya wena Siya. Yeah, siya.
Ya lethi ngokhethe guys fanele singathuli phela ngifuna ukumtshela amasimba manje seyisukile manje
Hayi surprise ngithe ngizokusurprise.
hawu siyawenzani bathi wena uyakopa ama-gift mabaphonsa i-galaxy bathi nawe uyaphonsa
Yakopa usiya.
okay guys on the first video
Siyangitheni ngizokumanga sheshe wa relax
hayi i-galaxy le yabe yokugcina wena le
mara manje yabona mangiloku uzoloku ngimsukela ngiyadlala manje siya siya bengidlala usiya naye
zamo thula manje ngiyalida if abantu bakwafuna ukuthi ukhulume bazofanele ukuthi baphonse i-galaxy ungizwile sengicabangile manje ukukhuluma mina kuphela aha awubatelile abantu bami uyabayeka itheni me I'm a big girl and you're a small boy yini hawu
Hawu guys kanti nani anidabuki kanti anibona ukuthi ngiyadabukisa ansayenzi hawu aba
hey wena hey uminyile ulindeni pho ngoba amakhwena aphelile ulindeni uminyile guys we need to activate but niyafanela naye thula yabona big chef
2 roses guys thank you Athembele another person ukuthi sizokwazi angisho ukuthi sizokwazi ukucover thank you Noxy guys hey lapha mangazile uTanaka lapha hey Tanaka Dube
so vele abantu bakho they are out of coin let's thank you so much
thank you Athembele and Noxy lapho guys asisenzele le times 3 sithi kuyisebenzisa kangcono le times 3 i-chance yethu ila strike because usiya la khona ujabulile at peace
ufuna ispam somtoko yebo lapho
guys nina nayi rifle
anayi rifle anani
abanayo yazi de abafuna ukungibona ngisafara hawu ngihlonishwa Nkosi yami hey
ngikutshela ukuthi mina ngisendela imatch ungenaso ismoke baba udlala ngapi
ngicela ukukushaya manje ngasidala istrict sakho ngisithathile nasi kumele siclaim
Alex Leya you received it by default by mistake
hayi bengasi default le besiyiplanile besiyidraftile le uyiplan nje iplane noTanaka sathi hayi
okay why hamba yedwa ne i-Galaxy Leya
hayi abekadlula bekathi uyadlula yabona wathi awusakushaye fast
ngiyuscreenshotile ngizokupost uzotrend kusasa senje
mangiwina ungiscreenshot futhi
uzotrenda kusasa ekuseni nje ya
ungishaka nje awusangilindi ke ngithi ukuthi kancane
ku front page kusasa
sure guys asithi ukuphusha athathe esinye screenshot esingcono
uphi udokotela manje isilungu naso sivele sahamba nje isilungu
ish udokotela bekadlula like una massage mele awayenze
okay
sayohlinza abantu nje like fast Salume thank you hawu Nkosi yami guys rifle ka siyamthola masingathola nje ama rifle nyana
angeke ngithole nina next yebo lapho surprise mashile thank you
ulo mqhele yabona lo mqhele lo angibeke eceleni akuvele mina
awu
thank you Salume
awu chama boy yasemondle
yeah Guys, Salume, thank you. Eish, marai. Ngabe nami ngabe kuyimiracle vele. Kanje manje hayi. Khona ukubona. Ngabe kumlingo.
Uvele wareceive iGalaxy ye-1 wayimosha wayasithuka manje. Thuka everywhere ama-gift.
Ende kunokujwayeleka. Nethi namhlanje ngisoft kakhulu angisho Sunday. Ngisoft kakhulu.
Hey lady,
Thank you guys. Ama MVP siyabonga. Ngibonga nakule match lesiwinile. Hey guys, hey. Ngibonisa ezinye izinto.
Idlulile leya. So manje uzobonga njalo ngayo imatch ye-1-1.
Eh, ngizoyibonga leya. Ngizoyibonga ukuthi phela angisho ngiyazincengela surprise kanti unjani ngiyazincengela ukuthi ibuye leya match leyana.
Uzobuya udokotela ungawari.
Udokotela. Sokwenza isurgery makabuya sikwenza wena isurgery. Akahlala emakhazeni waya. Akahlala emakhazeni. Emoshwari.
Guys, ngikhipheni lana kuyabantu.
Akahlala lapha akathi ukurelax azicabanga.
Guys, asifakeni yena ke kumushwari.
Times 3. Thank you Salume. Ngedonyathi.
Ngena kuzongena wena. Sitheni? Cha ukuthi kuyadlalo la. Ngitshela ukuthi
Abantu bakho bangizonda laba.
No.
Banenhliziyo zebhokadi.
Shashalasa, you talk too much. You talk too much.
Sengashiselwa manje.
Ungakhulu.
Salume, thank you.
Udokotela makabuya uzothatha wena uzokwenza ioperation avela keep izinyo le. Keep your ones.
Sure.
Yeah. Abuye futhi angithi uthe uzothatha mina makabuya uzothatha wena ayokhipha izinyo.
Yazi miracle iSunday.
Guys, can we activate the speak 3 roses now? Miracle go.
Guys, 3 roses. Salume bekangisiza kakhulu yazi inkosi yami. Bekangisiza. 3 roses guys. 3 roses from 3 different people. Guys, akukho mnandi la emakhazini ngiyagodola mina. Aningivusene kufeni.
Uzokotola waya wena. Waya.
Guys, 3 roses vele ningibukele niyasho ukuthi uyasangana lo. Asinayo backup plan. Thank you Thando. No, from 3 different people. Inkosi yami yaze yaphela. Another one. Ichance yazi yami ngasidluli. Yasidlula. Thank you Thami. Sheliswe.
Ngithi kunjani lapho?
Yabanda. Ngifila njengesidumbu. Mara akekho kude singamthola ulayiduze kakhulu.
Yazi uzofuna ini ukuthi usondele la ufuna ishaka phela ishaka le yayiphuma so emanzini.
Ne?
Angeke uyithole.
Hey, usindile ngoba ngithe ngiyaforward angeke. Hayi, balele. Or bayabona basho ukuthi uyasangana lo asilapho.
No guys, Gauta we just so I'm thinking Gauta yena o tla itja serious so and Gauta first of all ke ngwana guys. Okay. Yes, buka muso.
Phela ngiyakuzwa mina mokhuluma le language uyikhuluma ngiyakushisha nje.
Ukushisha.
Habuthi tjena. Hanhle tjena. Kawukwa. Awwa. Kawukwa.
Awumusikhuphuka lapho phela kuphuphuka. Ungangenza isihlahla mina ungangenza isilimo.
Yabona guys like yazi guys sishaya kanjani thina. Kuba ngathi namhlanje asishayi.
Tshela abantu bakuthi khuphukani lapho nini ningangenzi ikhwapho lomlungu mina. Na. Hayibo.
Guys, nibukisa ngami namhlanje ku-surprise. Nibukisa ngami. Nangapha ngiyashiselwa kodwa ngisemakhazini.
Kamutso ngempela naso isimoke ra unaso vele.
Nginaso net angazi ngiphaphile. Ngithe mangivula live ngagibela nje. Ngagibela zange forward zange ngavela ngadlala ama match. Into manje mangithi ngiya forward ayakuforwardiki namhlanje angazi kwenzakalani.
Bengithi ngifuna ukucoacha ngithi mhlambe if awunaso isimoke kufanele uhambe maybe uyo recorder something uye studio uyo recorder you'll be our next MT or maybe uhambe uyo streama lapha ya ku Facebook izokubhatala kangcono.
Ne. Ayish, ngiraphe or something ngicule.
Something.
Awubheke bakubonela neplan ukuthi okay ngcono angizorapper plus hayi ngizorap ngizocula.
Hey. Yabo. Because kuyasheshwa la. Kuyashesha. If this one is not working for you, look for something else.
Uzwa nje. Ama advice bakushaya bakuphe iadvice. Angeke ngiyaforward futhi angeke inkosi yami. La ngalali vukani. Lala kanjani ngishawa la ngaphandle. Nanoma ngavuko yi1 ke.
Angeke. Abantu wena usherela yini amashuka mama aboshuka mama bakho babhizi bazokubona kusasa wena during the day khona manje bala babambile nabantu ba bangempela hayi wena uyibank 10 bazokubona during the day.
Hayi inkathi zethu lezi engathi amadoda abo asuke semsebenzini so inkathi zethu lezi inkathi zethu lezi. So bangimangaza manje ukuthi mhlambe bakhonze kakhulu esontweni bebadumisa kakhulu bakhathele balele.
Mhlambe right lapho right vele ukhithi welcome back Niso C2D thank you so much pretty Maria Nchabele.
Mara guys we won in spirit.
So those are just taps. Ukuthepa bona bayathepa shem.
Awukuthepa bona bayathepa nkosi yami awukuthepa kuyathepa. Amafoni wabaya cracker from ukuthepa. 2 roses guys.
Guys we need 2 roses. It
From
shows
two
ukuthi
different people. Abantu abayi2 bafaka ama rose like. Abo 1 rose. Roses are red lapha. Nkosi yami.
So wena umzulu but igama lakho lithi Kamuso.
Ngizumzulu. Asubusulu.
Ubulele isisuthu nganesitswana.
No ngibulela isikhazi ngihlale ekhasi mina angazi ngikhuluma isiZulu lesi sala ekhasi.
Okay.
Angisumzulu nginawo umqhele nje because nginawo.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Let's restart this thing. Okay, let's see how many fragments do we have. Oh shit. What is it? Guys, this thing it will restart and then we need to today it's going to play.
Thank you, Kay. Guys, times 3. Asisebenziseni guys. Asisebenziseni. Uzoyisebenzisa yena kadlali kanjalo ngala kahlobisanga.
Kuyafana thina sokusniper you know mos.
Mara thina similelana asihlehlele emuva sesithembe rifle guys anama rifle lapho sniper khutlu.
Hayi khale bafana hayi khale
Sikhathi umzila la. Yeah. Hlangana Zulu asho bandile akuhlanganweni lana sempini amaqupha nje kuphela.
Guys, let's sniper le.
Yeah.
Sithatha.
Phela nanoma ungawina kanje ngiyazi ukuthi akusiwini le.
Eh. Wayesho njalo?
Le noma ngawina kanje kusiwe. Ama-win kumele ahambe kuma-1000 iwini ke leyo. Okay. Yabona usurprise washala. Sayothatha i-deep breath guys, ngiyayivala. Ngithatha i-deep breath. Sawuphefumula. Breathe in, breathe out. Digeste yonke lento eceda ukwenzakala. Ngigwenye.
Le uzoyiwina. Abantu bamangisho bayakuzwela manje.
Bangangizweli. Bangizwela. Hayi bangangizweli hawo.
Uzina simsnipeni uthi singamzweli.
Uya explain ukuthi why ngizokudla. Mara manje le akusiwini yazi. Le akusiwini le. Akuwino kanje kufanele ukuthi ngigroup la ma-tap kuphela mos.
Ama-tap lawa, ama-tap.
Groupile. Hayi mina surprise ngiyakudedela namhlanje.
Okay, izohlangana.
Mhlazane yabona mhlazane ngithi ngiyakubiza uwazi ukuthi isukile. Uphathe namanzi eduze kwakho abandayo.
Okay, bye bye.
Yeah.